In the previous lecture, we have learned to design a 4 to 1 multiplexer. In this video, we will construct an 8 to 1 multiplexer. Procedure remains the same as I have explained you in my previous lectures for 2 to 1 and 4 to 1 multiplexer construction. We know that a 2 power n by 1 mux has 2 power n inputs and n select lines. Here we are constructing 8 to 1 multiplexer. So 2 power n is written as 8, that is 2 power 3, therefore n is equal to 3. So in 8 to 1 mux we have 2 power 3, that is 8 input lines and 3 select lines, and of course 1 output line. This is the block diagram of 8 to 1 mux. We have 8 input lines and 3 select lines, and these input lines are labeled as D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, and select lines as S0, S1, S2, output with Y. We know that the output of multiplexer depends on select lines but not on input lines. This point we have discussed in our earlier videos also. Say suppose if the selection line value is 0, that is 0, 0, 0. The value at the 0th port, that is the value on D0, will appear at the output. And suppose if the selection line value is 7, that is 1, 1, 1. The value on D7 will appear at the output, and so on. We know that the first step is to define the functionality and to write the truth table in order to design any combinational circuit. Here we need to note one point, that the output depends on select lines. So on the input side we take select lines rather than input lines while writing the truth table. So let us write the truth table based on these points. As we have 3 select lines, you will have 8 possible combinations, that is 2 power 3, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. We have just discussed that if you have the value 0, 0, 0, the value of D0 will appear on output side. So for 0, 0, 0, the output is D0. For 0, 0, 1, it is G1. This way we have filled the entire truth table. Once you have the truth table, the next step is to write the equation by using the K-map. But here there is no need to use K-map. We can directly write the equation. I have written the equation here. You can see y is D0 into S0 complement, S1 complement, S2 complement. For zeros we have written complement, plus D1 into S0 complement, S1 complement, S2, because S2 is 1. This way the entire equation is written. Now the next step is to draw the circuit diagram using this equation. You have this equation in hand, so it is easy to draw the circuit diagram. So you have 3 select lines, S0, S1, S2, and their complemented lines also. The first AND gate is D0, S0 complement, S1 complement, S2 complement. D0 into S0 complement, S1 complement, S2 complement, and D1 into S0 complement, S1 complement, and S2. This way inputs are given to all the 8 AND gates, and all the 8 AND gates are together given to OR gate. The outputs of all the AND gates are given to the input of OR gate. This is how you construct the 8 to 1 multiplexer. I have given the link for PDF notes in the description box. If anyone is interested, they can please click on the link and download the notes.